Welcome to a quick chat about blending caching and delivering content within Microsoft Azure like a high-performance, scalable recipe for your digital needs. Imagine you are hosting a large online event and everyone is streaming videos, accessing dynamic content, and engaging with the platform. The last thing you want is for your users to wait for every request because, let's face it, time is money, and in this fast-paced world, we can't afford to lose either. So, here's the scoop: Microsoft Azure, with its cloud services, enables organizations to store, manage, and deliver content efficiently, ensuring a snazzy performance for your digital audience. Now, let's take a peek into how Azure's magical toolbox comes together seamlessly. You start by selecting the right mix of services to keep your users feeling buttery smooth. Services like Azure Cache for Redis, Azure CDN, and Azure Front Door stand out. They are great at keeping the wheels turning and delivering that crucial content straight to your users' screens without making them hang around. Azure Cache for Redis acts as the memory workhorse here, storing frequently accessed data to speed things up. It's just like having a personal assistant available all the time to pull information out of your computer's memory for quick retrieval, leaving the backend in peace. Plus, with a little management, scaling up and down, without changing a single line in your code or losing any data integrity, Azure Cache for Redis ensures that your users always get what they need. Then there's Azure Content Delivery Network, or CDN. Picture a super-efficient delivery network, akin to UPS on steroids. Everything from live and on-demand video to web assets gets stored across many servers in different locations around the globe. Azure CDN uses this network to shuttle content to your users from the nearest server, cutting down on red tape, like latency caused by long travel times back to the server of origin. It's like having everyone's favorite local baker in their locality, making it not only faster but also tasting fresher and saving those road trip times. Azure Front Door rounds things off nicely. It orchestrates everything, directing incoming requests the best way possible. Be it a request for a special image or a critical piece of software, Azure Front Door determines where to send the user with precision. Combining Azure Content Delivery Network and Azure Caching within Front Door ensures not just speed but smart distribution. Smaller, less critical requests can be delivered from the nearest cache, reducing the strain on the rest of your system, ensuring critical components aren't overloaded. The synergy between these services, when knit intricately, forms a powerful tapestry of delivery that enhances user satisfaction and helps meet your business objectives. Enterprises leverage this by not only boosting performance, but also gaining the agility to adapt when demand soars, akin to having a Swiss Army knife that always has to hand to help your users and business thrive. Now, here come the best practices in setting up your Azure Cache and delivery setup, which include strategies like content-centric routing, where the content dictates the route, ensuring users receive what they're after, with precision and speed. Proactive caching is another, where predictive algorithms work on your content's metadata to anticipate user needs, keeping frequently accessed data in arm's reach, ready for immediate action. These best practices are crucial for keeping users engaged, seamlessly accessing content, and maintaining the performance needed when the digital demand skyrockets like a supernova. It's all about using Azure's might to its fullest. With Azure, you configure these services with a guiding light. A well-thought-out deployment plan ensures minimal downtime and the highest uptime promises Azure can muster. It's about orchestrating like a maestro at a grand symphony, leading services to harmonize and perform without a flaw, delivering content effectively, efficiently, and seamlessly. And when troubles emerge, as they sometimes will, Azure provides a beacon. The robust monitoring tools in place alert and help troubleshoot proactively, like guardian angels guiding lost souls back on track. So, as we wrap up, remember that blending caching and content delivery is not just a technical task, it's an art that ensures your online presence feels alive, responsive, and truly interactive. Azure is the canvas and the palette, and with strategic use and meticulous crafting, every piece of your digital experience can shine bright. If you are keen to explore in more detail or refine your skills on Azure, I can't stress enough how beneficial it would be to visit neeraj.qzz.io for more insights and take a peek at TechLab for the latest in cloud technology know-how. End of conversation.